Hello everyone, my name is Samuel. Welcome back to Learning Destination. Today in this video I am going to teach you phonetic, the sound of letter C. In English alphabet, every letter it has name and sound. Today you are going to learn the sound of letter C. Watch the video till end so that you can learn correct sound. To make it simple and easy, let me tell you small story. Dave and Jane visit their new friend Colin in his crib. Crib, C-R-I-B. Dave is a detective boy who finds out in his surrounding. He observes closely. He sees that Colin's hair is curly and it looks like letter C. And Collins makes the sound of letter C at the back of his throat. When we say C and when we produce the sound, it has to come from the back of the throat. C says K. 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 Curly-headed Colin says K. Curly-headed Colin says. Curly-headed Colin says K. The sound has to come from the back of the throat. K. Cat. Cat. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share so I can get encouragement to go to make many more videos. Support Learning Destination and thank you once more.